Okay, so moving on, we're now multiplying a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. So for this one, we're doing 22 multiplied by 31 is 682. Now again, this is going to look quite complex because we're using all of the manipulatives. But again, it's really important because it really shows that children have understood their place value. So we draw out a grid. This is called the grid method. We're multiplying. We've got 22 multiplied by 31. Okay, and we're going to draw out our manipulatives just like we've done before. So 22, what's that made up of? So we've got a 10 and a 10. We've got 2 ones. And we've multiplied by 30 and 1. So multiplied by 30, so we've got 10 and 10 and 10 and 1 there. 30 and 1. So I'm now looking, I'm just going to move this underneath to make it a bit clearer. That's better. I'm now doing this sum, 10 times 10, which is 100. And again, 10 times 10, which is 100. 10 times 1, which is 10. 10 times 1, which is 10. And exactly the same, 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 1 is 10. And now I'm multiplying by 1. I'm going to use a different colour. 1 times 10 is 10. 1 times 10 is 10. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay. Now, I've now got all of these numbers here. Okay. And I'm going to need to add them up. Okay. So adding up my numbers, what have I got? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. And I've got 2 ones. 682. Okay, I'm then going to move on from that to a very, very similar model, but without using the place